Weak low pressure may bring some snow showers on Thursday. No large storms foreseen at this time into the weekend. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for coastal New Hampshire, including the city of Portsmouth. Rest of today, much colder with highs in the lower 20s. Northwest winds 10 to 15 miles an hour with gusts up to 35 miles an hour. Wind chill values as low as 3 below. Tonight, mostly clear. Lows around 6 above near the coast, with lows around 2 above inland. West winds around 10 miles an hour until midnight, becoming light and variable. Tuesday, partly sunny. Highs in the lower 20s near the coast, with highs around 18 inland. West winds 10 to 15 miles an hour with gusts up to 25 miles an hour. Wind chill values as low as 11 below in the morning. Tuesday night, partly cloudy until midnight, then becoming mostly clear. Lows around 0. West winds around 10 miles an hour with gusts up to 20 miles an hour until midnight, becoming light and variable. Wednesday, mostly sunny. Highs around 17. Light and variable winds. Wednesday night and Thursday, partly cloudy. Lows around 0. Highs in the mid-20s. Thursday night, partly cloudy. Lows around 10 above. Friday through Saturday, mostly clear. Highs around 30. Lows around 10 above. Saturday night and Sunday, partly cloudy. Lows around 20. Highs in the mid-30s. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for coastal New Hampshire, including the city of Portsmouth. Rest of today, sunny. Much colder with highs in the lower 20s. Northwest winds 10 to 15 miles an hour with gusts up to 30 miles an hour. Wind chill values as low as 1 below. Tonight, clear. Lows around 6 above near the coast, with lows around 2 above inland. West winds around 10 miles an hour until midnight, becoming light and variable. Tuesday, partly sunny. Highs in the lower 20s near the coast, with highs around 18 inland. West winds 10 to 15 miles an hour with gusts up to 25 miles an hour. Wind chill values as low as 11 below in the morning. Tuesday night, partly cloudy until midnight, then becoming mostly clear. Lows around 0. West winds around 10 miles an hour with gusts up to 20 miles an hour until midnight, becoming light and variable. Wednesday, mostly sunny. Highs around 17. Light and variable winds. Wednesday night and Thursday, partly cloudy. Lows around 0. Highs in the mid-20s. Thursday night, partly cloudy. Lows around 10 above. Friday through Saturday, mostly clear. Highs around 30. Lows around 10 above. Saturday night and Sunday, partly cloudy. Lows around 20. Highs in the mid-30s. Here is the recreation forecast for summits of Mount Monadnock and North Pack Monadnock Mountain. Rest of today, partly sunny. Patchy blowing snow. Highs around 14. Northwest winds 15 to 25 miles per hour with gusts up to 40 miles per hour. Wind chill values as low as 12 below. Tonight, partly cloudy in the evening, then clearing. Lows around 1 below. West winds up to 10 miles per hour with gusts up to 20 miles per hour. Tuesday, partly sunny in the morning, then becoming mostly cloudy. Highs around 10 above. West winds 10 to 15 miles per hour with gusts up to 25 miles per hour. This is NOAA weather radio station KZZ40 broadcasting on a frequency of 162.45 megahertz from Saddleback Mountain near Deerfield, New Hampshire. The current time is 9:49 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. The following is a summary of watches, warnings, and advisories in effect. For the KZZ40 listening area, a cold weather advisory has been issued from 6 p.m. until noon Tuesday for the following area: in New Hampshire, northern coast, Small craft advisory has been extended until midnight Tuesday and expanded to include the following: coastal waters from Cape Elizabeth, Maine to the Merrimack River, Massachusetts, out 25 nautical miles. The 9 a.m. coastal weather observations for southwest Maine and New Hampshire. In Rockland, it was cloudy. The temperature was 17 and the wind was northwest at 10 miles an hour, gusting to 16 miles an hour. In Wiscasset, it was cloudy. The temperature was 18 and the wind was variable at 6 miles an hour, gusting to 21 miles an hour. At Portland, it was mostly sunny. The temperature was 17 degrees, the dew point 6, giving a relative humidity of 62%. The wind was north at 9 miles an hour and the pressure was 29.94 inches and rising. In New Hampshire, Portsmouth was mostly sunny. The temperature was 17 and the wind was west at 14 miles an hour. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for coastal New Hampshire, including the city of Portsmouth. West of today, sunny. Much colder with highs in the lower 20s. Northwest winds 10 to 15 miles an hour with gusts up to 30 miles an hour. Wind chill values as low as 1 below. Tonight, clear. Lows around 6 above near the coast, with lows around 2 above inland. West winds around 10 miles an hour until midnight, becoming light and variable. Tuesday, partly sunny. Highs in the lower 20s near the coast, with highs around 18 inland. West winds 10 to 15 miles an hour with gusts up to 25 miles an hour. Wind chill values as low as 11 below in the morning. The Concord, New Hampshire climate summary for yesterday, January 19th, 2025. Yesterday's high temperature was 40 degrees. This high was 9 degrees above the normal high of 31. The record high is 58 degrees. Yesterday's low temperature was 21 degrees. This low was 9 degrees above the normal low of 12. The record low is minus 30 degrees. 0.24 inches of precipitation fell yesterday, which brings the monthly total to 1.34 inches. This is 0.41 inches below the normal amount of 1.75 inches for January. The total precipitation for the year now stands at 1.34 inches, which is 0.41 inches below normal. 3.6 inches of snow fell yesterday, which leaves the monthly total at 4.6 inches. This is 5.7 inches below the normal amount of 10.3 inches for January. The total snowfall since July 1st now stands at 11.1 inches, which is 16.8 inches below normal. There were 34 heating degree days yesterday, which is 9 below normal. This brings the monthly total to 767, which is 37 below normal. The yearly total since July 1st is 3,175, which is 240 below normal. The record high for today is 57, which occurred in 2006, and the record low is minus 28, which occurred in 1994. Sunrise today is at 7:12 a.m. and sunset is at 4:43 p.m. Here is the latest marine forecast for the following coastal waters from Cape Elizabeth, Maine to the Merrimack River, Massachusetts, out 25 nautical miles. Small craft advisory in effect through this evening. Today, northwest winds 20 to 25 knots, diminishing to 15 to 20 knots late this morning and early afternoon, then increasing to 20 to 25 knots late. Seas 4 to 6 feet, wave detail, northwest 4 feet at 4 seconds and southeast 4 feet at 10 seconds. Light freezing spray. Tonight, northwest winds 15 to 20 knots, becoming west 10 to 15 knots after midnight. Gusts up to 30 knots. Seas 4 to 6 feet, wave detail, west 4 feet at 4 seconds and southeast 4 feet at 10 seconds. Light freezing spray. Tuesday, west winds 15 to 20 knots with gusts up to 30 knots. Seas 2 to 4 feet, wave detail, west 3 feet at 4 seconds and southeast 3 feet at 10 seconds. Light freezing spray. Tuesday night, west winds 10 to 15 knots with gusts up to 25 knots. Seas 2 to 4 feet, wave detail, west 3 feet at 4 seconds and southeast 2 feet at 9 seconds. Light freezing spray. Wednesday, northwest winds 10 to 15 knots with gusts up to 25 knots. Seas 2 to 3 feet. Wave detail, northwest 3 feet at 3 seconds. Light freezing spray. Wednesday night, west winds 10 to 15 knots with gusts up to 20 knots. Seas around 2 feet. Wave detail, west 2 feet at 3 seconds. Light freezing spray. Thursday, southwest winds 10 to 15 knots with gusts up to 25 knots. Seas 2 to 3 feet. Light freezing spray in the morning. Thursday night, west winds 10 to 15 knots, becoming northwest after midnight. Seas 2 to 3 feet. Friday, northwest winds around 10 knots with gusts up to 20 knots. Seas around 2 feet. Friday night, northwest winds 10 to 15 knots with gusts up to 20 knots. Seas 2 to 3 feet. Intensifying low pressure near Georgia's bank will track northeast across Nova Scotia early today. The low will pull a series of low-pressure troughs or cold fronts across the waters today into tonight. A strong high-pressure ridge will build east towards the region later tonight, move offshore Tuesday, and then weaken and retreat inland Tuesday night. Another low will develop and pass south of the waters Tuesday night, strengthen to the southeast and east of the waters Wednesday, and then west of the area Tuesday night and Thursday. High pressure will slowly build east over the region later Wednesday and Wednesday night, and then weaken while shifting east of the area Thursday into Thursday night. Yet another low will develop south of the waters Thursday and Thursday night while tracking northeast towards the area. The low will pass just southeast of the waters Friday and move off to the east of the area Friday night as a high-pressure ridge builds east towards the coast. Gale warning today, north winds 25 to 35 knots, becoming northwest 20 to 30 knots. Seas 6 to 11 feet, snow early. Light to moderate freezing spray. Tonight, west to northwest winds 20 to 30 knots. Seas 6 to 11 feet, light to moderate freezing spray. Tuesday, west winds 15 to 25 knots. Seas 4 to 8 feet, light to moderate freezing spray. Tuesday night, west winds 15 to 20 knots, becoming northwest. Seas 4 to 7 feet, light freezing spray and chance of snow. Wednesday, north to northwest winds 10 to 20 knots, becoming 10 to 15 knots. Seas 3 to 6 feet. Wednesday night, northwest winds 5 to 15 knots, becoming southwest. Seas 3 to 5 feet. Thursday, southwest winds 15 to 25 knots.